there has been a blast at a firecracker factory in Tamil Nadu. So a blast has been reported from a cracker factory in Tamil Nadu. And these are the visuals, the firefighters, they're arriving on the spot and trying to douse the flames there. This is a firecracker factory. Now, what exactly prompted the fire is not clear at the moment, but you can see that huge smoke, white smoke emanating from the factory, and on the road you can see there is a lot of debris, and there has been an explosion, a blast that happened, likely caused by the firecrackers inside. Let's get updates from Sharda. Sharda, what details do you have about this fire breaking out at the factory? Has it been doused, and any injuries that have been reported?
Well, one dead and four are injured in this particular factory accident that happened today, is just a few hours back. The fire has been completely doused now. However, this is not the first accident that we're seeing. This is the second in the last 1 week. What happened last week in Sivagasi made 5 people lose their life and 6 injured, and now 1 more died and 4 more injured. Especially it's coming from the same area where near Sivagasi, where the fireworkers and the factories placed at. This is turning out to be a common incident in the state of Tamil Nadu recently, and multiple complaints and multiple fire factory blasts have happened. However, the investigation continues without an answer, and we've seen that the government is not taking any precautionary measures to make sure that these blasts don't happen. It's also stated multiple investigations have claimed that the storage of these firecrackers are leading to the blast unintentionally, and that's the reason. However, the government has not taken any precautionary methods for it and for the storage purpose, and that's the reason we've been learning that multiple firecracker industry have been losing it in the last few days.
All right, Sharda, thank you so much for those details there. And one person has been killed in the blast. That's what the report has been telling us. And several people have been injured. They've been taken to nearby hospitals. There have been more than 4 people who've been injured. 1 person has died in the blast at the cracker factory.
Bharat 1 Minute brought to you by Canara Bank. Together we can.
Let's take a look at some other news from across the nation. The monsoon season has unleashed severe weather across the state of Himachal Pradesh, with the torrential rains triggering flash floods, landslides and widespread destruction in multiple districts. At least 74 people have lost their lives.